Alright, back on the C4. I finished putting the Dynamat in, well, probably at least 90% of it. That's the stuff I used. I had it sitting in the shed for about 10 years. I was going to use it on another project, but anyway, never did, so probably the real good stuff too. But, this is what it looks like inside now. It's all been dynamated. That's the tunnel, you can see right there. Tunnel's been done. Floor. That's the back wall there. We'll get inside here. So the other floorboard, all done. In the back area, done all that too. I haven't done the speaker boxes on the outside yet because I'm just not quite sure what I want to do there yet. So before I put any of that stuff on, which once it's on it don't come off, I just want to make sure I want to stick it on there first. But, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. You can see all those pieces in there inside that box. It's got the cut out sheets, which you can see. You can still see the green paint. So yeah, they'll like about 450mm long by 60mm wide. I had to do plenty of them. So yeah, all the way up there, all the back corners, pulled all the bolts out too. Found all the holes again and put all the screws back in. But yeah, that's the Dynamat. It's all been done. Haven't done up the top of the firewall yet because the dash is going to be coming out, so I thought I'd wait till the dash comes out first before I do that. But yeah, I said probably took me about 2.5 days really, and I wasn't pushing myself, just taking it pretty easy. But yeah. Didn't really need to use a lot of tools. That's all I really had to use up the back there. Scissors was the main thing. That roller, you need a roller for sure. I used that Stanley knife at the back there to mark out my cuts and the ruler. And yeah, that was about it. So I'm happy that's all done. Another job done. Now I'll start attacking the front dash now.